Hey guys, so I've been working on something secretly for a while now, and it's finally ready. But I can't do this without you. I need your help. So if you're watching me for the first time, let me introduce myself. I'm a 17 years old boy, and a few days ago I decided to learn English with an American accent. And I've always wanted to talk like a native English speaker, but I've never tried before. That's why I created this channel. You can tell from how I talk that English isn't my first language. My English is so bad right now. That's why I created this channel. I created this channel for upload video every single day to stay motivated, stay consistent, and show my journey. So that's why I'm doing a 6 months challenge. In these 6 months, I'll learn English with an American accent. But this is not the video. I'm not here for likes or subscribers. I'm here for only learning English. But today, this video is not a normal video. This video is very special video, at least for me. So I want you to like this video. Please like this video. I never wanted any likes or subscribers. I want you to like this video because if you like this video, YouTube will promote this video to more people. And also, please, if you have time, at least to watch this video for 3 minutes. So I've been working on something secretly for a while. I already told you in my intro basically. So I created a Discord server, as you can see. In this server you can learn English. I'll show you very soon, but before, hear me out. If you're learning English, this server will help you. If you already learn English, then please join our server and please help us to learn English too. And if you're a native speaker, it will help us a lot if you join our server and teach us something. I don't know how I'm saying, you guys, but maybe you know what I'm trying to say. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the server and show you guys everything. So here is the server. It's called Let's Learn ENG, which means English. So I've been working on this server for 7 days now, and I created everything by myself, literally everything. And I created this server for only learning English. It not give me any money. YouTube does not gives me any money. The only reason I'm doing this is for learning English. So let's show you guys the server for the first time, and here is my surprise for you guys. As you can see, if you join the server, this is a welcome channel. Here you can read this. Welcome to the server, we're so happy you joined us. You can read this. Here's the thing, guys, this isn't just a server, it's a friendly community where people from all around the world come together to learn English, improve their accent, fluency, and pronunciation, and so much more. Whether you're just starting or already pretty good, you're in the right place. This is like welcome message. Now here's the thing, what you can do here. The first thing, chat with other learners. Like you can chat, you can talk with anyone. Ask questions freely. If you need help, you can ask questions. Practice your English accent and pronunciation. You can see all the channel. I'll show you guys everything. Just please watch the video till end. I will never ask you to watch the video again and like the video again. If you still don't like this video, please like this video. I will never ask you for like and subscribe or like watch the video till end. Like I will never ask you. Please like this video and please watch till end. And I'm sorry guys for begging so much, because like I really want to learn English. Now here, share tips, tricks, and helpful resources. Make friends from all around the world. Boys and girls have their own safe space if you want. Join voice chat to build speaking confidence. Speak one-on-one others. You can literally talk to each other, but I can't do this without your help. You guys need to join this server and we need to be together to learn English. Alright, stay motivated and grow together. How to get started? Check the rules, pick your rules. You can pick your rules from here. I'll show you guys in a few minutes. Just watch the video. Say hi in the chat. And the most craziest part, 100% free for everyone. You guys don't need to spend a single penny. This will be literally free. As you can see, this video is completely free for everyone. No money, no fees, just learning. Everything is free, like literally everything. You don't need to give any money. If you have any Discord account, all you need a Discord account. That's all you need. You can join the server. It's free, and like you just need to click the link in the description. All you need. And join the server. This is all you need. Alright, there's like final words you can read. And here is the most craziest part here, server guide. You can read this if you want. So here's the like server guide, everything what you should do for like this is server guide. You know what I mean, right? I don't know how to explain this, so let me walk you through everything. This is a welcome page I just read you. This is a quick guide for channel, and about me is I share something about myself. As you can see, you can read this. This is all about myself, about me. And this is a rules channel, and here are some rules you have to follow if you wanna stay in this server, because some people might break the rules. That's why I created some rules. It's pretty basic rules. It's like not like, yeah, you can read this if you want. And now here's the like pick your rules. So if you go here, you can see where do you live right below to choose a region. This helps others know where you're from and make new friends. So if like Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, other. So all you need is just to click this little emoji and you're done. And where's your English level? This will be like your English level. Like if you're a beginner, then choose this. If you're like mid, you can choose this. And if your English is pretty good, you'll choose this. And here's the crazy part, boy, girl. If you select boy, you'll get this boy only server, and if you select this, you'll get girls only server. So some people will, you know, like they want to talk with their same gender as their, so that's why I did this. Alright, now let's go to about again, and you can see announcement is like server announcement updates. Like if any server updates happen, I'll announce here. And FAQ, which means common questions and their answer, like frequently asked questions and their answer. As you can see, I'll keep adding this more. You can read this if you want. And then here, YT uploads, like if you know, I've been doing a 6-month challenge. I'll upload video every single day. So yeah, I already uploaded 2 video already. I guess I'm not. Yeah, this is I think day 5, right? Yeah, so I already uploaded day 4. You can watch that video. So yeah, let's go again. And here's the general part. The chat channel is for like chat with others, and media is like you can post pictures, videos, screenshots, or any memes or kind of thing. And boys only, I just told you guys, private chat for only boys, private chat for only girls. And these questions, ask anything you're confused about here. Now here's is the most important part. Like see, my English is so bad. Alright, here's the tips and tricks. In this channel, you can share learning hacks, tips, tricks, or anything helpful. Let me show you. Here is the channel. You can read here what's the channel about. You can see like you can share some tips, tricks, or anything that can help others improve their English. Found a great tip, trick, method, hack, drop it here to help everyone out. So I'll keep adding here. You guys also can add some hacks, some tips, tricks to help others. It will also help you. So here's some things that is very important to like master American accent. And this some words pretty hard to pronounce. And this like you probably know like question. Like if you say like question, this is how American people say this question. Suggestion. So I can for tomorrow I'll practice this. So and yeah, there will be so much more if people join the server, and you can share tips and tricks with us. You know, like we have to do this together. Like this is how we should learn English. Alright, now let's go to about again. Now here is the second channel for learning. Helpful content, share useful videos, link or post. Like if you find any useful videos that might help others on YouTube, or like anything, any videos, or like you can share here. Now next, resources. You can share PDFs, apps, like you find a pretty cool apps that you can learn English, or you can find any like websites or tools or anything that might help others. You can post here. Resources, guys, I made by myself everything, so please guys join this server. I really want to learn English, and you guys also might want to learn English, right? So yeah, here's the crazy part, tongue twisters. So you know, like there like some tongue twister, if you like if you start talking in English, you'll say that sometimes I don't know what that word is, like stutter or something like this. So for that, you can practice tongue twister. They're like tongue twister for R and L letters, tongue twister for the American T sound, tongue twister for the sound. You can join the server and you can read everything, and here will be so much tongue twisters, and you can also share tongue twister here and you can read from here too. All right, now ask for help. If you need any help about English, regarding English, you can ask here and we will help you. Also, now here's also the most important part too, voice practice. You can see room 1, room 2, room 3. Join for one-on-one English speaking practice. You can talk to each other with voice, with face if you want to talk. There is 3 servers. If this needs more, I'll create more, no problem at all. You can talk to each other in this 3 room, like one and one. Like let's say you and me will talk here, and then a small group talk in a group 3 or 4 people to improve speaking. You can like a small group like 3 or 4 people like talking, chilling or something, you know what I'm saying, to learn English, of course. And here accent practice. You can practice accent for with others, and then grammar practice, which is this one. You can practice some grammar with others, and here is the pronunciation practice, practicing words the right way. You can practice with others. So this is the server. If you want to join, I'll give the link description. This is literally free. And also, if you're still watching this video, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you're watching this video. If you still watch this video till now, then comment. What should you comment? You can comment, I watched the video till end. You can comment this, I watched the video till end. So yeah, I really appreciate that. And guys, please join this server. I don't care if you're learning English or if you already master your English. If you already know English, then please join us and help us to learn English, to improve our English. And if you're also learning English, you can join. We will learn together. So yeah, this is a surprise I've been telling you guys for 5 days, for 4 days, I guess. So yeah, this is what I made. I hope this will help us. So yeah, my only goal is learn English. If you're here, my goal is learn English to an American accent and build a community where we all improve together. So yeah, this is pretty much it. If you're still watching, if you didn't like this video yet, please like this video. So yeah, this is the video. I'll give the link in the description, and tomorrow will be day 6 of me learning English. And for tomorrow, I'll do this kind of hard word, and I'll practice to say these hard words. All right, so yeah, this is the video for today. So see you again in my next video, of course, if I alive. If I die, then you won't see me. So yeah, see ya.